Welcome back to the channel. We're diving deep into the future of content creation, and let me tell you, things are about to get interesting. AI is changing the game, and today we're talking about how you can leverage its power to build a successful YouTube channel, even without ever showing your face. That's right, we're talking about faceless channels. No cameras, no awkward intros, just pure AI-driven content that's engaging, informative, and primed for success. We're breaking down the top 20 niches that are absolutely crushing it in the faceless AI space. So buckle up and get ready to level up your YouTube game, because the future is here, and it's looking seriously exciting. Let's get started. First up, we've got personal finance and wealth building. This niche is all about helping people take control of their financial futures. And let's be real, who doesn't want to be financially secure? AI can analyze market trends, break down complex financial concepts, and even generate personalized financial advice. Imagine this, your channel becomes the go-to source for passive income strategies, investing tips, and budgeting advice, all powered by AI. It's like having a 24/7 financial advisor that's accessible to everyone. This niche has massive potential to attract a loyal audience hungry for financial knowledge. Next up, we're talking health and fitness. This niche is all about promoting a healthy lifestyle, and guess what? People are always looking for ways to feel better and live longer. AI can generate personalized workout routines, create nutrition plans, and even provide insights into mindfulness and mental well-being. Think about this. Your channel could offer AI-powered yoga flows, guided meditations, or even healthy recipe recommendations. It's all about delivering that value to your viewers. And with the ever-growing focus on health and wellness, this niche is primed for explosive growth. Alright, now let's talk tech. Tech reviews and news are a perfect fit for a faceless channel. AI can analyze product specs, compare features, and even deliver the latest tech news in a synthesized voice that sounds incredibly human. Imagine this, your channel could become the ultimate destination for unboxing videos, benchmark tests, and tech comparisons. People are always hungry for the latest and greatest in tech, and AI can help you deliver that information in a sleek, engaging way. Let's face it, everyone loves to travel and explore new places. With a faceless AI channel, you can transport your viewers to stunning destinations around the world. Imagine this, AI-powered videos showcasing breathtaking landscapes, historical landmarks, and hidden gems. You can even integrate AI voiceovers to narrate the experience, providing travel tips, cultural insights, and itinerary suggestions. It's like having a virtual tour guide that's always ready to inspire your audience's next adventure. Cooking channels are already huge on YouTube, and the faceless format takes it to a whole new level. AI can generate recipe videos with step-by-step instructions, voiceovers explaining cooking techniques, and even suggest ingredient substitutions. Imagine this, your channel becomes a digital cookbook, offering a diverse range of cuisines and dietary options. From quick and easy meals to gourmet dishes, AI can help you create a culinary experience that's both informative and visually appealing. DIY and crafting is all about unleashing creativity, and that's something AI can definitely get down with. Think about it, AI-powered videos demonstrating DIY projects, crafting tutorials, and even home decor inspiration. Your channel could become a hub for creative minds looking for their next project. From simple crafts to more complex builds, AI can guide viewers through the process, making it easy and enjoyable for everyone. Education is a powerful niche, and AI can make learning more accessible and engaging than ever before. Think about it. Your channel could offer AI-generated tutorials on a wide range of subjects, from history and science to language learning and coding. AI can break down complex concepts, provide interactive exercises, and even personalize the learning experience based on individual needs. It's like having a virtual tutor available 24/7. Gaming is huge on YouTube, and AI can take your gaming channel to the next level. Imagine this. AI-generated gameplay walkthroughs, strategy guides, and even highlight reels of epic gaming moments. You can use AI to create content for popular games, provide tips and tricks, and even offer commentary on the latest gaming news. The possibilities are endless, and with the gaming community constantly growing, this niche has serious potential. In today's fast-paced world, finding moments of peace and relaxation is more important than ever. And that's where a faceless AI channel focused on meditation and relaxation comes in. Imagine this: your channel becomes a sanctuary of calm, offering guided meditations, soothing music, and nature sounds that promote relaxation and mindfulness. AI can even personalize these experiences based on individual preferences, creating a truly unique and calming experience for your viewers. Fashion is constantly evolving, and a faceless AI channel can keep your audience ahead of the curve. Think about it: AI-powered videos showcasing the latest fashion trends, styling tips, and outfit inspiration. You can even use AI to create virtual fashion shows, generate personalized style recommendations, and even offer shopping advice. It's like having a personal stylist available 24/7 right in your viewers' pockets. Home improvement is another great niche for a faceless AI channel. Think about it: AI-powered videos demonstrating home renovation tips, DIY projects, and even interior design inspiration. You can use AI to create step-by-step tutorials, provide product recommendations, and even offer virtual home tours. It's like having a personal contractor or interior designer guiding your viewers through every step of their home improvement journey. Pet care is a niche that's close to many people's hearts, and a faceless AI channel can provide valuable information to pet owners everywhere. Imagine this: AI-powered videos offering pet training tips, breed information, and even health advice. You can use AI to create engaging content on a variety of pets, from dogs and cats to more exotic animals. It's like having a virtual veterinarian or pet expert available to answer all your viewers' pet-related questions. Music is a universal language, and a faceless AI channel can help people learn and appreciate music in new ways. Think about it: AI-powered videos offering instrument tutorials, music theory lessons, and even virtual concerts. You can use AI to create content for a variety of instruments, from guitar and piano to drums and vocals. It's like having a personal music tutor available 24/7, helping your viewers unlock their musical potential. Science and space exploration are endlessly fascinating topics, and a faceless AI channel can make these subjects accessible to a wider audience. Imagine this: AI-powered videos explaining scientific concepts, showcasing space exploration missions. You can use AI to create stunning visuals, provide in-depth explanations, and even offer virtual tours of space. It's like having a front-row seat to the wonders of the universe. History is written by the victors, but a faceless AI channel can offer a more objective and comprehensive view of the past. Imagine this: AI-powered documentaries exploring historical events, profiling influential figures, and even recreating historical battles and events. You can use AI to bring history to life, providing viewers with a deeper understanding of the past and its impact on the present. For book lovers, a faceless AI channel can be a treasure trove of literary goodness. Imagine this: AI-powered videos providing book summaries, reviews, and even author interviews. You can use AI to create content for a variety of genres, from fiction and nonfiction to biographies and memoirs. It's like having a personal book club guiding your viewers through the latest releases and literary classics. Learning a new language can be a challenging but rewarding experience, and a faceless AI channel can make the process more engaging and effective. Imagine this: AI-powered videos offering language lessons, vocabulary building exercises, and even interactive conversations with AI language partners. You can use AI to create content for a variety of languages, from Spanish and French to Mandarin Chinese and Japanese. It's like having a personal language tutor available 24/7, helping your viewers become fluent in their target language. Everyone needs a little motivation and inspiration from time to time, and a faceless AI channel can provide just that. Imagine this: AI-powered videos offering motivational speeches, self-improvement tips, and even guided meditations for personal growth. You can use AI to create content that empowers and inspires your viewers, helping them achieve their goals and live their best lives. It's like having a personal life coach, guiding your viewers on their journey to self-discovery. With so many movies and TV shows being released all the time, it can be hard to keep up. A faceless AI channel can help viewers navigate the world of entertainment with AI-powered reviews and analyses. Imagine this: your channel becomes the go-to source for spoiler-free reviews, character breakdowns, and even predictions for upcoming seasons. It's like having a personal entertainment critic, helping your viewers decide what to watch next. For sports fans, a faceless AI channel can provide up-to-the-minute scores, game summaries, and expert commentary. Imagine this: AI-powered videos showcasing game highlights, player stats, and even predictions for upcoming matches. You can use AI to cover a variety of sports, from football and basketball to soccer and tennis. It's like having a 24/7 sports center, keeping your viewers informed and entertained. So there you have it, the 20 best niches for faceless, AI automated YouTube channels. The future of content creation is here, and it's packed with opportunity. With AI by your side, you can build a thriving YouTube channel, even without ever showing your face. The possibilities are limitless, and the time to start is now. So go out there, unleash your creativity, and let AI help you build the channel of your dreams. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and check out these videos on how to level up your YouTube game by monetizing your faceless YouTube channel. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible.